Hi, everybody. Hi, hello, and how do you do? We all welcome you. This is where we sing and play and learn new things each day. Hi, hello, and how do you do? I will welcome you. This is where we learn and grow and make new friends. The fun will never end. Hi, hello, and how do you do? We all welcome you. Now it's time to have some fun. Are you ready to count with me? Hi, everybody. I'm back here with my cat Chubs. Hello, my friends. Here I am again with my cat Chubs. Let me turn around so you can see her little face. She likes to cuddle in my hair. Can you see? Snuggle, cuddle, snuggle, cuddle. And I have some kitties here with me today. Can you see? Can you see who they look like? A little bit like me? Yes, they are a little bit like me. Can you help me count how many kitties Vicki has on the board? Can you help me? Can you help me? Can you help me and Chubs today? Can you help me? Can you help me count how many kitties I have today? I have one, I have two, I have three kitties on my board today. I have four, I have five, I have six little kitties alive. Striped. All right. How about the tiger stripe kitty then? Tiger stripe kitty, are you hiding the ball of yarn? Let's see. What ball of yarn is he hiding? He's hiding a ball of yarn. Can you see? What color is this ball of yarn? Did you say brown? Very good. It's a brown color. Can you find the brown cat? Let's see. Oh, here is the brown cat. Very good. Match with the brown cat. And we'll put our tiger striped cat back. Very good. Now what color shall we look behind next? The white cat. All right. White cat. Do you have a ball of yarn? A ball of yarn. Yes, he has a ball of yarn. What color is this ball of yarn? Oh, what color, Chubs? Are you done? All right, bye-bye. Red color. A red color ball of yarn. Can you find the red ball of yarn from the kitty? Oh, there he is. Very good. The red one. Good job. We found the red kitty yarn. Good job. So we'll put the white kitty back. Oh my. So we have 3 kitties who found their yarn and 3 kitties who didn't. So what color would you like to pick next? Okay. The gray one. Okay. Gray kitty, have you got the ball of yarn? The gray kitty has a ball of yarn. And what color is the ball of yarn? Did you say white? Very good, is white. And the white, did we look behind the brown cat yet? Brown cat, brown cat. Do you have the ball of yarn? Let's have a look. Let's see. Oh, he does have a ball of yarn. He has a what color? A black ball of yarn. Where does the black ball of yarn belong? Which little kitty? I can see him. Can you? Let's see. Here he is. The little black kitty with the little black yarn. Very good. We can put this one away. Then do the red kitty. Let's see. Red kitty, red kitty. Do you have the ball of yarn? Let's see. Open. Oh, there it is. Here it is. What color is the last ball of yarn? What color? Gray. It's a gray color. That's right. Gray color. So let's try that again. We'll put your red kitty back. And we'll find our gray kitty. Where's the last kitty? Very good, right here, the last kitty. Now all our kitties found their ball of yarn. And they're happy they're going to play with their ball of yarn. All right, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 kitties and 6 balls of yarn in lots of different colors. All right, my friends, I hope you enjoyed that activity, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.